I bet you didn't know that you see and use Viking runes every single day. This is the Viking rune for the letter H, and this is the rune for the letter B. Put them together and you get a symbol that you'll definitely recognise, the symbol for Bluetooth. That's because Bluetooth is actually named after a 10th century Scandinavian ruler called Harald Bluetooth. King Harald united Norway and Denmark, just as Bluetooth technology unites and connects devices. Legend has it that he was called Bluetooth due to his love of eating blueberries, which stained his teeth blue. Anyway, in memory of King Harald Bluetooth, I'm building this Viking rune themed charcuterie board. Subscribe if you want to hear more random facts and see more wood and epoxy projects.